Anchor says its new USB-C hub lets M1 MacBooks output to 3 external monitors. By default, they can only output to 1.
Yeah.
A USB-C connection that can do 3 external monitors at what res, Will? What resolution? Anchor, you better show me what you're talking about.
They delivered, man.
Okay.
So they have one port that's 4K 30.
Okay, and 30
And then
hertz,
2 other ports that are 2K 60.
I'd rather do 2K 60. 30 drive me crazy with the cursor.
Sure, yeah.
For the cursor, but actually for video, it's okay.
They said watching a movie or something, just use it on the 4K.
You might put a movie on.
Yeah.
Which movie?
I watched Godzilla versus Kong the other day. It still holds up. It's pretty good.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
What is that? Is it the boat and everything going on?
Yeah.
And then they got the Kong and he's in the chains and then he's fighting.
With the axe.
Yeah. Which one you like? Who you cheer for? Kong?
I cheer for Kong.
You're supposed to cheer for Kong, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. The Anchor 563 dock has a total of 10 ports, including USB-C, USB-A, 3.5mm audio, and Ethernet. But we're most interested in the display connectors, an HDMI port that goes up to 4K 30 hertz, a second HDMI 2K up to 60 hertz, and a display port that's also capable of 2K 60 hertz. So a triple display setup coming off of one single Type-C connector. Here you can see some of the resolutions displayed, different options if you want to do a single display output or a multiple display output.
So I didn't know that M1, at least the 2021 versions of MacBooks, only could support one monitor.
Yeah,
Did
not
you
the
know
pro,
that?
not the pros.
Not the pros.
Yeah.
But I didn't know, and I'm using the M1.
Are you telling me that Anchor's going to sell a few of these? Is that what you just said to me?
I think so.
Yeah.
But also the M1 2022 version does support 2 displays.
Well,
It's just I guess this is just my scenario, but
here's
this
the thing.
is cool
Also mine.
nonetheless. Yeah.
Here's the thing, guys. You might want to dock anyway for all the extra ports.
Yeah.
Right? Like you've also got a bunch of extra USB ports, USB-A ports. You might want those. Right? You might want to charge up. You might want to charge more than one device. Look at this guy. That could be you. So it's not strictly about the monitors. It's also about the versatility of a dock when you have live a laptop life, because now you need all these extra
With Ethernet.
stationary USB options for a keyboard or a mouse or whatever else you want. So we love the docks
Yeah.
around here, and I'm sure this one is no exception. It's pretty cool, actually. Everything you get on there.